Today we are going to solve the practice set number 22, and before solving the practice set we will see just revise all the divisibility test and then we will move towards that exercise. So here first of all divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10 that we will discuss, that you had studied last year. So 2 test is that at unit place if a number contains 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at its unit place, then the number is divisible by 2. Okay, this is the 2's test. Same way, when the number is divisible by 5, if a number contains 0 and 5, 0 and 5 at its unit place, then the number is divisible by 5. So from this above number, these numbers are there divisible by 5. Okay, here it is. So these numbers are there, they are divisible by 5 because at its unit place 0 and 5 is there. Now what is the divisibility test for the 10? If the number contains 0 at its unit place, then the number is divisible by which? 10. So from above number, this 100, 750, 800, 750, 8710, these numbers are there, they are divisible by 10. Okay, that you had studied in 5th standard. Moving towards the next for you this year, the divisibility test of 3 is given. And what is the divisibility of test of 3? If the sum of the digits in a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Okay, so any number is there, if you do this sum of its digits, then if it is divisible by 3, then number is divisible by 3. For example, here we had seen we have completed this activity. If we are taking 6, 3, 9, okay, so what is the sum of digit? 6 plus 3 plus 9 is equal to 6 plus 3, 9, and 9 and 9, 18. And this 18 is there, it is divisible by 3. So the given number, that is 639, is divisible by 3. So in this way we have to identify that given number is divisible by 3 or not without dividing into it. Next divisibility test is the forced divisibility test. So what is the forced divisibility test? So if the given numbers, we have to write down the given number. For example, suppose this only I will take example 992. We have to check whether 92 is divisible by 4 or not. Only unit 10 place number. If unit and 10 place number is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. So here 92 you just divide with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, remainder is 1. Again you have to take this 2 from here. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 4 threes are 12. So if you check the unit and tens place number, means 92. If 92 or any numbers are there, which are those they are present at unit and tens place, they are divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. So 992 is divisible by 4. After the fourth test, we see the divisibility test of the 9. Okay, so what is the divisibility test of 9? If same like 3, we have to do the sum of digits in given present in that number, and if it is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. So we will take this example. Okay, so if you do the addition of these numbers, 1 plus 9 plus 8 and plus 0. So if you do the addition, 1 plus 9, 10, and 10 plus 8, 18. And 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. Means this 18 is there, it is completely divisible by 9. So the given number is divisible by 9. Okay, so in that way we see that the given number is divisibility test of 9. And what is the divisibility test? The sum of the digits of a number is completely divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Okay, now by using this all test, using this all divisibility test, we have to solve the today's exercise, that is the practice set number 22. So what is the question given here? The question is, there are some flowering trees. There are some flowering trees. If you see here, here are flowers. Flowering trees are there. Okay, and each tree bears flowers. Each tree has many flowers with the same number printed on it. So, for example, suppose this tree is there, this flowering tree is there. If you are taking this flowering tree, okay. So here which number is written? 249. Means this much flowers are present on this plant. Next, flowers with the same number printed on it. The three children took the basket each to pick the flowers. Each basket has one of the number 3, 4 and 9. If you see here, three students are there, three students or children are there. Here one girl is there. On her basket, which number is written? If you see here, which number is here? The number is 3. Okay. Then here downside one boy is there. On his basket, which number is written? 4. And this side of a picture, here it is, one more girl is there, and on her basket 9 is written. Okay. So what we have to do here, each child picks those flowers which have numbers divisible by the number on her or his basket. So that girl, that boy or children, they will take the flowers of those trees which number is written on that basket. That numbers divisibility test we have to use to find the numbers to pick the flowers from that tree. And he or she takes only one flower from each tree. Can you tell which numbers the flowers in each basket will have? So what they told you, he or she takes only one flower from each tree. Okay. So can you tell which numbers of the flowers in each basket will have? Okay. So we have to find out the number of flowers in each basket. Okay. So here it is that picture. Okay. Just pause the video and all of you check which numbers. First of all, use the divisibility test of this all whatever I taught you, and you have to find out the numbers which are divisible by it. So from this we have to check whether the numbers are divisible by 3, 4 and 9, and we have to give this give the flower from means we have to write that number towards in front of that what girl. So first of all, what we will do, we will check the girl who on her basket 3 is written. So what is the divisibility of test of 3? The sum of the digits of a number, if it is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. So first of all, we will start from here. So first of all, 111. If you do the addition of this 111, you will understand that 1 plus 1 plus 1 means how much it is there? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Its answer is 3. Sorry, its answer is 3. So this flower who will take? This girl will take. So 3 I will write here 111. She will take 111. Now do the addition of this 435. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 7, and 7 plus 5 12. Okay, and 3 4s are 12. So that number is also divisible by 3. So 435. Next number is 356. So 356. So 3 plus 5 8, and 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Okay, so this number 356, 14 is not present in the table of 3. So 356 is 56 is not divisible by 3. So we are not going to write this number. Next it is 369. Which number is here? 369. 3 plus 6, 9. And 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 is present in the table of 3. So here 369 we have to write to the girl whose basket number is 3. Okay. Now you have to write in proper way. Downside write the 3. The girl which have number 3 on her basket, she will collect the flower from these trees. So here in that way these numbers you have to write in front of it. Next number is 220. So 2 plus 2, 4, and 4 plus 0, 4. So 4 is not divisible by 3. So we are not going to write this number in that group. Now here 2 plus 4, 6, and 6 plus 9, 15. So 249. 249. Sum of this digit is 15, and that's why this number is divisible by 3. So we have to write it here. 666. 6 3s are 18. So this number is divisible by 6 because sum is 18 and 18 is present in the test of 3. 450. 4 plus 5, 9, and 9 plus 0, 9. 3 3s are 9. So this number is also divisible by 3. Next number is the 960. 960. 9 plus 6, 15, and 15 plus 0, 15. So 3 5s are 15. So 960 what happens is divisible by which? 3. So we have to write here. Again next number we have to check 432. 4 plus 3, 7, and plus 2, 8, 9. So 432 is also divisible by 3 because 9 3 3s are 9. Next 999. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and 9 3s are 27, and 3 9s are 27. So 999 is also will come in the basket of this girl. 72. 7 plus 2, 9. So this number is also divisible by 3 because 3 3s are 9. Next number is 336. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 18. 3 6s are 18. So this number is also divisible by what? 3. Next number is 90. 9 plus 0, 9. So 3 3s are 9. So 90 is also divisible by this 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So 123 is also divisible by which? 3. So these flowers, these these number of flowers are what happens from these plants. Those shows these numbers are from that tree. That girl who on her basket 3 is written, she will collect the flowers. Okay, clear? Note down this all of you. Then we will see the 9s and the 4ths. Okay, over. Okay. Now we will take the next, that is the 9. What is, no, 4s we will take. What is divisibility test for 4? If last 2 digit means unit test and tens place number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. So for that we have to take the number, we have to check whether the numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So this boy is there, on his basket which number is written? 4 is written. So we will check the divisibility test for the 4. Divisibility test for 4. Now what is the test of divisibility test of 4? Last 2 digits we have to check. So first number is the 111. Here 11. If you see 11, if you are try to divide 4's table inside, 11 is not present because 4 3s are 12. 11 is not there. So the number 111 is not divisible by which? 4. Next we will see, take the next number, that is 435. 435. Just I told you before only the 4 which numbers we have to check. the number which are even numbers, those only numbers are divisible by 4. So 435 is not divisible by 4 because it is odd number. Okay. So next number we will check. Which is the next number? 356. 356. Now these two numbers check. Unit and tens place number. Divide it with the 4. So 4 ones are 4, 1 is remainder, and 4 4s are 16. So 354. This whole means this remainder is not there, not remain. So this number, that is 356, is divisible by 4. Now we will check the next number. The number is 220. Okay, which number is there? 220. And 220 inside this 20 is divisible by 4 because 4 5s are 20. So 220 is divisible by 4. So this is divisible by 4. This is divisible by. Next 369. 369, what I told you, it is odd number. So don't check. Not necessary to check. 249. This is also odd. Cancel it. Next number is 999. This is also odd. First of all, we will cancel odd numbers only. Okay. Then we will check the remaining numbers. So wherever I had run the cross here downside, those are not divisible by what? 4. Next we will check 666, whether it is divisible by 4 or not. So 666, unit and tens place number take, divide with the 4. 4 ones are 4, remainder is 2. So 2 first table inside 26 is not present. 4 6 are 24. So this number is also not divisible by 4 because unit 10 tens place numbers are not divisible by 4. Next number is the 450. 450. Now we will check that. 450 divided by from this 450 we have to check only the number 50, it is divisible by 4 or not. So 50, when we divide this with the 450, now divide. 4 ones are 4, remainder is 1. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So here remains 2 is remainder. So the given number is not divisible by 4. Means 450 is also not divisible by 4. Now we will check the next number, that is 960. 960. So if you divide 60 with 4, you will get 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2 and 4 5s are 20. Now this 60 is totally divisible by 4 and that's why 960 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now we will take the, means this number is divisible by 4. Now we will check the next number, that is 72. If you divide this 72, there are 2 only digits are there. So directly divide. 4 ones are 4, remains 2 and 4 8s are 32. So this number, that is 72, is divisible by which? 4. Now 330, we will check 432. So here it is 432. As you know that 32 is divisible by 4 because 8 4s are 32 or 4 8s are 32. So that 432 we have to write, which is divisible by 4. Next number is 336. Next number is 336. So we will check whether the numbers are divisible by 336. So if you see this number, the unit and tens place number is 36 and 9 4s are 36. So this number is also divisible by which? 4, because it is divisible by 4, and here if we divide this we will get 9 4s are 36. And at last the number, at last now 2 more numbers are there. Here 90. Here also only 2 numbers are there. So 90, if you divide with the which? 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 1, 4 twos are 8 and 2 is remainder here. 2 is remainder, that's why 90 is not divisible by 4. And lastly 108, if you do the if you divide this 100, 0 and 8 are the numbers which are present at its which place? Unit place. And 0 8 divide with the 4, 0 and 4 twos are 8. So here 108 is also divisible by 4. In this way we have to check whether the numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So these all plants flower that boy will take in his basket. Okay, note down this. So next we have to check that this girl that is standing here towards the right side of the picture, she will collect the flowers from which trees? From this. So note down this, all of you. Now what is number is written here? 9. So we have to check whether which numbers are divisible by 9, and the numbers which are divisible by 9 are those numbers which. So the girl here, this girl, she will collect the flowers from the trees whose those numbers are divisible by 9. So 9's test is we have to do the addition of the which numbers, and if it is divisible by 9 we have to collect the she will collect the flower from this. So we will check whether one by one number. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So if 3 is not there in table of 9, she will not take flower from this tree. Next it is the 369. 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equals to 18, and 18 is divisible by 9, so she will take flower from this tree. Okay, so 369. Next 4 plus 3 7, and 7 plus 5 14. Sorry, 7 plus 5 12, and 12 is not divisible by 3, so she will not take flower from this. Next it is the 3 plus 5 8, and 8 plus 6 14. So 14 is not there in the table of 9, so she will not take flower from this tree also. Next number is the 220. So 2 plus 2 4, and 4 plus 0 4 only. So 4 is not present in 9's table, so this she will not take flower from this tree also. Next it is the 249. So 2 plus 6 2 plus 4 6, and 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So 15 is not divisible by 4, so she will not take flower from this. Next number is 6 plus 6 plus 6, means 6 3s are 18. 18 is present, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So she will take flower from 666 tree. Next it is the 450. 4 plus 5 9. So 9 1s are 9. So she will take flower from this 450 tree. Next it is the 960. 9 plus 6 15, and 15 plus 0 15. So as per divisibility test of 9, she will not take flower from this tree. Next it is the 432. 4 plus 3 7, and 7 plus 2 9. So 9 1s are 9. She will take flower from this tree. Next it is the 999. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and 9 3s are 27. And this number is divisible by 9 because sum is 27. 72. 7 plus 2 9. So she will take flower from this. Next it is the 336. So 3 plus 3 6, and 6 plus 6 12. So 12 is not there in the table of 9. She will not take flower from this also tree. Next it is the 990. So 9 1s are 9. So here it is 90. Next it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Its sum is 6. She will not take flower from this because it is not divisible by 6. 9. And at last here 108 is there. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, and that's why she will collect flower from this tree. In this way, you have to use the divisibility test and solve this exercise. So all of you complete this exercise today and send me on my personal number. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you and have a good day.